Hey guys, it's isopods and more with me. I hope everything's going well with you and you're taking care of yourselves and the ones you love. It's getting hot. It's been like 80-ish the last 2 days, and I went on a few walks, did some live streaming and stuff. But what I want to do now is take a moment and show you guys some of the things that I collected and then kind of sort through some of those and talk about what I plan to do with some of them and ask you some questions on what I should do with some others. So, with all that out of the way and nothing more to say, let's hop into these critters. So the cup you see further away has a bunch of isopods I just scooped up when I was out. Most of them are, I believe, Philoscia Muscorum. There's a handful of spinnicornies in there, and then I believe a couple Trachelopis. So I'm going to take some time and sort them out. These are some other guys that I picked up. I'm always very hesitant to do this. I'm very squeamish about moving them. I don't like bothering isopods and all of that, but I am going to be doing this to put them into their appropriate enclosures. So adjust the lights. See if that will help. I believe that's a Trachelopis. I'll try make sure there was nothing else on there. Trying to keep it in frame for you. I apologize, but the camera's off slightly to my right, so I can't see everything. So we're going to do Philoscia Muscorum, spinnicornies, Trachelopis rathki. These guys are very leggy. One thing I noticed specifically, and I've noticed it before collecting them today, but it really stood out because a lot of the wood that I was looking at... Sorry, I had to clear my throat, but I edited that out. But where I was collecting them today, there were a couple, well, lots of pieces of wood that had several species at once. And what I noticed then, and it was again just so much more pronounced when seeing them side by side with other guys, is that when they stand on wood, they don't hunker down low and try to get flat to the piece. They tend to stand with their legs extended, and I forget which, it's one of the Mediterranean Porcellio species that I thought I read do the same, and I thought that was kind of neat to actually see out there in nature. There we have a big spinicorny, and I gotta see what this guy is. If I had to guess right now, Trichelopus rathke, but I'm gonna take a closer look once I separate these guys. Oh, he's on the move. And he just dropped back, so I'll worry about him a little bit later, which means I'm just going to put this guy down in there for now. Another Muscorum. Another one. Another one. I lost count, but I think that's 3 Muscorum. I'll have to maybe go back and count, or maybe you can count along with me. And this is what I was talking about. I hope I can get this in time. Another one. Another one. Another one. Can you see the way these guys all have their legs off, and you can almost see, I don't want to say through them, so to speak, but you can see straight through to the other side. They're always like that. That's awesome. I don't know who that weirdo is. Little spinny corny. So here, you try to... Oh, let me put you guys down and get this guy. Oh, there he goes. That's awesome that I actually kind of, as I mentioned, I was talking about it, and now I get to witness it. And you all got to witness it with me. Got a little spinny corny hiding in there. Hope you can see that well in the camera. There we go. A little better, but not the best. I apologize. I normally take a little more time to do videos. I'm not feeling well. Well, I'm feeling decent. It's been a long couple days going out on my walks. It's been about 80 degrees out, and that just takes a lot out of me. And I'm just trying to relax, but I don't want to leave these guys in here indefinitely. I want to get them wherever they're going. Another guy, Muscorum there. Another one. Totally losing track of how many those are. I'm not counting even remotely. Man, there are some nice ones in here I want to show you. Making sure I can't really see right now what they all are. So I'm gonna wait a moment. So that's a Trichelopus rathke. Come on, guy. There you go. Can I get him now? Nice big spinny corny here. I wish you could see it. Looks like one of the spinny cornies is eating a mollusk shell. Anyway, let's see. 2 more Muscorum, or 1 more Muscorum. And a spinny corny. Let me see. Another one. Oops. And then spinny corny. That is rad. Let me get the tweezers. I say I got 2 snail shells. Let's see if I can get it to show you what's in there, I hope. Let me see. I'm sorry I can't see the camera, but there's a little spinny corny hiding in here. And I wish this. Hope you can at least see a little bit of it. Two Trichelopus Arathki. I don't know how well they're showing up. I'm gonna put them up in there. If I'm not mistaken, I'm going to double check. It looks like what I have are all Trichelopus Arathki. No, one little Muscorum in there I'm going to have to get out. Another one. Little guy. Yep, that's about it. So I'm going to put the rest of these Arathki away. And thanks for spending this time with me. I am going to take an up close of the Muscorum because they're newer to me. So I'll end it with little time viewing those guys in here before I put them in with the others. So take care of yourself, take care of the ones you love, and go easy. Another what?
Original bang, little ranking to the clip and to number one champion sound. Necktie sound, we get a sound of the number one champion sound. Boom shot, champion sound.
want me to edit it out?
Adana.
Edit it out.
Adana.
Edit it out.
Adana.
Another one.
Yes.
Okay.
No show.
Adana.
Still gotta do.
Adana who?
Another one.